great communicator.
Dedicated.
Visionary.
He is a world citizen.
Nation's Healthy Hospital campaign.
Michael Tarwater stands at the top of Carolina's healthcare system, the largest healthcare provider in the Carolinas, and one of the most expansive public hospital systems in the nation. This fully integrated system owns and manages more than 40 hospitals and more than 900 care locations. From primary care to world-class specialty services and the region's only Level 1 trauma center, Carolina's healthcare system gives its patient population access to high-value treatment more than 11 million times per year. Such an incredible system requires an exceptional leader.
At Carolina's healthcare system, we have an expression that we take care of all of God's children. And that is a borderless type of concept, and I can't think of anyone who lives that, practices it, more than Mike does. He encourages us to reach out and touch people where they are, and he has encouraged us to be much more than a Carolina's only organization.
Long before Carolina's healthcare system, Michael learned the values that now define his life and his work: caring, integrity, teamwork, and service.
One of the most appealing things about Mike Tarwater is that he sees things in a different way. What we've been able to do in the Carolinas is develop a system that allows clinical trials, cancer research, the best supportive facilities, patient navigation to be available close to where people live. The reason that's such an interesting model is that we can apply it at a national or an international level. We can actually make a contribution on the world stage.
Michael Tarwater is collaborative because he understands the more thinking you get from various people within the organization, the better results you get.
Carolina's healthcare system has become a magnet for top-ranked physicians and researchers from as far away as Australia, India, Germany, England, and China.
So when I first came here to meet the leadership here, Mr. Tarwater, and gave me assurance that you come and we will support you as long as you strive your best to get your vision realized.
Well, as we all know, the world's become a very small place. And as we take a look at healthcare, we're taking a look at bringing healthcare experts from all over the world here. Over the last 40 plus years, it has really transformed itself from being one of the leading national cities to being truly an international city.
Leaders from the Charlotte business community.
As president of the Charlotte Chamber of Commerce, Michael's worldview inspires our city's corporate, civic, and community growth.
Healthcare is one of the reasons that company and people are attracted here, along with the fact that we have connectability to the rest of the world. Clearly, to be the leader that he is in the healthcare sector takes incredible intellectual capacity. We're just very fortunate to have his leadership at the Chamber.
Mike sees the health of our community and also positioning Charlotte as a hub for outstanding health care is one of his priorities, and he's doing that in a number of ways. One way, of course, is the diabetes program, which will help identify individuals who have prediabetes and diabetes and help make interventions that will create different outcomes there.
Michael Tarwater is committed to expanding healthcare access to underserved communities, not just in Charlotte, but around the globe.
Michael is dedicated to the patients and the communities that we are serving globally. It takes a big idea for healthcare to be impacted from a global perspective. And Michael supports those kinds of big ideas, results, and global impact.
Together with the Heinemann Foundation, Carolina's healthcare system's international medical outreach establishes sustainable healthcare in countries such as Nicaragua, Belize, Syria, Tanzania, and the Philippines. Some of the work includes creating Central America's first heart institute, delivering equipment and training for hundreds of doctors overseas, and providing thousands of computers for children in Guatemala.
He so much exemplifies our core values. Mike has given more than 3 decades of his life to Carolina's healthcare system and this community. His personal integrity, his sincerity just comes through in all of the leadership that he provides, not only for us, for this community, for our industry.
Michael believes in God. He believes in family. He believes in community. And he believes in leaving things better than when he started.
Because of his vision, humanity, and uncompromising standards, Michael C. Tarwater stands at the pinnacle of 21st century global leadership.
Michael Tarwater's many things. He is smart.
He's focused.
He will support whatever your vision is.
Pragmatic,
Compassionate.
Selfless. I keep coming back to selfless.
thoughtful,
A 21st century leader.
Kind.
Just extraordinary individual.
Great leader, a great person, a world citizen.